Namaste, everyone. Thank you for joining us for this tutorial of Sun Salutation B. So I hope by now you went to Sun Salutation A and you took a look and you did a few, maybe 5 of them, whatever your modification is. And if you're ready to move forward on your yoga practice, Sun Salutation B would be a great option for you. There's several ways people do it. This is the way that I learned how to do it, and I hope you enjoy it. There's 3 variations, and little by little you can accommodate to whatever works best for you. Namaste. Thank you. Let's begin in mountain pose, Samastitihi. Utkatasana, bend your knees and take your arms up. And as you exhale, you're going to take your hands down, whether it's grabbing your shins or fingertips or flat hand on the floor. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana, extend the spine, gaze up. And as you exhale, you're going to walk your feet back and press your knees into the floor. Keep the belly strong, bending the elbows, 90-degree angle, take your chest down. Inhale, Bhujangasana, Cobra Pose. And as you exhale, you're going to press the knees, roll the toes, and come up into downward facing dog. Inhale, take the right foot between the hands and drop the back heel down. And coming up into Warrior Pose 1. Swim the arms up. And as you exhale, you're going to take again the hands down to the floor. You're going to step with the right foot back. And you're going to place the knees down to the floor. Take your chest down and chin down. Drop the belly on the floor. Inhale, come up into cobra again. And as you exhale, knees on the floor, roll the toes, downward facing dog. Second side, step with the left foot forward. Always use your hand to move the feet if you need to. Drop the back heel down to the floor, bend the front knee. And inhale, take the arms up. And as you exhale, you're going to step back, knees into the floor, bend the elbows, lower down. Inhale again, up to Cobra Pose. And as you exhale, come back into downward facing dog. Now, if you feel tightness on the back of the legs or in your spine, keep your knees bent and little by little start extending the legs as long as you can keep your back straight. Hold it there from 3 to 5 breaths. And when you're done, step with the feet back between your hands. Use the small steps or use your hand to help you coming back. Inhale, lengthening the spine again. Exhale, forward fold. Bend the knees again and inhale, take the arms back up. Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, Samastitihi. Mountain pose, Samastitihi. Utkatasana, bend your knees, take your arms up, hands together, gazing at your thumb. Exhale, Uttanasana, hands flat on the floor. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana, extend the spine. Exhale, step with the feet back. Plank pose, Chaturanga Dandasana, bending the elbows. Inhale, upward facing dog, thighs away from the floor. Exhale, roll your toes, downward facing dog. Step with the right foot forward, drop the back heel down to the floor, take the arms up. Hands together, look at your thumb. And as you exhale, drop the hands back down to the floor, step back into your plank. Bend the elbows, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Second side, step with the left foot forward, drop the back heel. Inhale, arms up, hands together, look at your thumb. Exhale, hands back down, back to plank. Bending the elbows, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. And we're gonna hold it here for 5 breaths. Try to root the fingertips on the floor and especially press the index and thumb into the floor. As you do that, pull the tailbone back and up and try to rest the heels down to the floor. Engage your quadriceps, lift up your kneecaps, lengthening the spine. And once you're done, step with your feet back between your hands. Look up. And as you exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Bend your knees, Utkatasana, chair pose, Samastitihi. Samastitihi. Inhale, bend the knees, take the arms up, hands together, look at your thumb. Exhale, take your hands down, flat on the floor right next to the feet. Inhale, extend the spine. Exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Step with the right foot forward, drop the back heel down to the floor. Inhale, warrior pose 1. Exhale, hands down to the floor, back to plank pose, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Second side, take your left foot forward, drop the back heel down to the floor, Virabhadrasana 1, inhale. And as you exhale, hands back down, back to plank, Chaturanga. Roll the toes, up dog, roll the toes, downward facing dog. And let's hold it here, 5 breaths. Keep lengthening the spine. Try to ground the feet down to the floor. Engage the quadriceps, tailbone up. And then inhale, bend your knees. Softly jump your feet between your hands. Lift up your chest. Exhale, hands flat on the floor. Bend the knees. Inhale, Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, Samastitihi.